Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you introduction of HTML. So let's start video. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is a standard markup language used to create web pages and web applications. It is the foundation of the World Wide Web and is used to structure content on a web page, including text, images, videos, and other multimedia elements. HTML uses tags and attributes to define the structure and presentation of web content. Tags are used to identify different types of content, such as headings, paragraphs, and images, while attributes provide additional information about the content, such as size, color, and alignment. HTML is a language that is designed to be understood by both humans and machines. This means that web developers can use HTML to create web pages that are accessible to users with different levels of technical expertise and different devices, such as desktop computers, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. HTML is constantly evolving and new versions of the language are regularly released. The current version of HTML is HTML5, which includes many new features and improvements over previous versions.